A hospital expansion was 3 weeks behind schedule and $400,000 over budget. Everyone was panicking until a single document turned it around. It wasn't a 500-page binder. It wasn't a last-minute miracle. It was something powerful but simple. Variance analysis. Variance analysis made easy. Learn the step-by-step method for project success. Variance analysis is the heartbeat of project control. It's the process of comparing what you planned with what actually happened. You find the gaps, called variances, and understand why they happened. Cost variance, schedule variance, effort variance. They're your red flags and your opportunity to steer the ship back on course. Here's how to master it in 5 steps, the exact method we teach in the course. Step 1. Identify the R of variance: budget, timeline, scope. Step 2. Gather relevant data from timesheets, financials, field reports. Step 3. Calculate the variance, planned versus actual. Step 4. Analyze the cause: bad planning, scope change, execution lag. Step 5. Take corrective action and recommend, adjust timeline, add resources, communicate. It's not just numbers. It's the story those numbers tell and what you do about it. Pros: early warning system, improves accountability, drives continuous improvement, links financials and operations. Cons: needs accurate baseline data, can overwhelm with detail, requires interpretation skill. It's like a health report. It can tell you something's wrong, but you need to know how to treat it. Case 1. Wind farm project. Budget slipping silently for weeks. Variance analysis flagged equipment delivery delays. Action: supplier contracts restructured, recovery plan implemented. Outcome: $2.5 million saved. Case 2. E-commerce platform launch. Developer hours were twice the plan. Analysis revealed feature creep. Action: froze scope, revised delivery plan. Outcome: launch delayed by 2 weeks, but saved entire $300,000 marketing campaign. Case 3. Government road project. On paper, green. Variance analysis exposed overtime costs and idle equipment. Action: optimized crew scheduling. Outcome: 12% cost savings by project close. These weren't guesses. They were guided, strategic course corrections powered by one tool: variance analysis. So, when should you use it? The answer: everywhere. Best use points, weekly cost tracking, monthly performance reviews, change request evaluations, closing reports. Variance analysis isn't a one-time report, it's an ongoing practice. Your project's pulse check. From healthcare to construction, tech to government, anyone serious about staying on track uses it. Project managers to monitor execution, finance teams to report performance, executives to make data-backed decisions, auditors to verify accountability. Whether you're in a startup or a multi-billion-dollar build, variance analysis keeps your numbers honest and your outcomes aligned. Top accuracy drivers: quality of baseline planning, frequency of monitoring, integrity of actual data, consistency of interpretation, training of the analyst. A poor plan will always give a poorer variance report. Garbage in, garbage out. That's why we teach data quality first in our course. Let's land this with what really matters. Here's what you learned. Variance analysis equals insight plus action. It's the link between planning and performance. Used across every major industry. Accuracy depends on data quality and interpretation. It's not complex when you follow a clear process. Want to go deeper and actually master variance analysis? In our online course, you'll get Introduction to Variance Analysis, step-by-step method for conducting variance analysis, pros and cons of variance analysis, real-world case studies, how to use variance analysis effectively, who uses variance analysis, accuracy factors in variance analysis. Numbers don't lie, but they only help if you know how to read them. Projects don't fail from one big mistake. They fail from small variances that go unchecked. But not on your watch.